Had a great game last night against LPU.
Good serve by Tolentino.
Here comes Davao.
And early service ace. Open. So if they can receive, I think they can capitalize their middle.
Here comes LPU. That's De
And
La Salle.
Provido
Provido.
over the block. Yeah. The opposite hitter. Open hitter.
Here's the opportunity
Blanco.
for Davao.
Nice block there by Canino.
A challenge
Formidable.
for the Davao Eagles. Good receive by Davao.
Blanco. Nice attack by Blanco.
Another opportunity.
To
Canino.
Canino.
Yes, sirree.
Cross court attack by Canino.
Canino also last night.
Yeah.
Goes over the net. Tolentino sets up. Provido.
Nice dig by Adlaw.
Oo. A
Up
great performance
back on.
kagabi. Itong si Adlaw. Laput.
And
Scores for La
another
Salle.
Strong hit this time by Laput. Yeah.
Itong si Shevana Laput. 6-1 start.
Serve. Set up to Andal.
That was deflected. Canino.
And another long shot by Canino.
Attack point for La Salle. Great round tonight. Once again, dito sa Yusef Gymnasium.
Nice receive by Adlaw.
Yee on the setup.
Attack by Habacon. This time getting it through the blockers. Angel Habacon.
Season 99.
Isa ring Bisaya to si Angel.
Of course, from Surigao.
Surigao.
Here comes Canino.
And it hits the line.
Right on the line, indeed. Coach, hear the noise of the crowd tonight.
Those effective jump serves.
Just like yung kagabi against LPU.
Yeah, and
that's an
he hits
ace!
the first service ace.
Shevana Laput. Siya yung nagbibigay ng enerhiya for Davao last night against Letran.
Set
Del
up
Castillo on the drop shot. Good dig by Davao.
Castillones.
Casillones, another dig by La Salle.
Dig.
Back to Canino, blocked!
And
That's Canino breaking through the blockers. And that will be a challenge if you're the
Yeah.
Davao Eagles. Canino with the serve.
and a service
It's
ace
an
there
ace.
for
Angel Canino.
Philippines.
Castillo, their middle blocker. Good serve. What a good receive by Davao. Here's the opportunity. And that's an attack point for Davao.
nice attack there for Castillo. Trying to use it here against La Salle.
On the setup,
Running attack this time from Provido.
the middle blocker, Imi Provido. Up. Good receive. Here comes La
Set up
Salle.
to Laput with a powerful hit.
Good deflection by Davao.
Deflection by Andal.
Drop
Drop
shot.
by Habacon. And back row attack.
Canino goes over the net.
Chance for Team Davao. Nice cross-court hit, but nice dig there.
Another opportunity for La Salle. Drop shot.
Nice read by Adlaw.
Adlaw with a good dig.
Castillones. And that gets through the blockers.
Castellones, the captain, delivers.
Yeah. Hindi na siya natatakot ngayon. Davao. Graduating student na yan sa college.
Here comes
Now
Laput.
Laput. Nice dig again by Adlaw.
Oh, the drop shot.
And this time, that's the chance for La Salle.
And that's a point for the Lady Spikers.
Good hit na yon kasi it already crossed the net.
One of the standout players mula sa Davao.
Good receive.
Oh, by
To
Adlaw.
Habacon.
Oh, that was blocked. Here comes La Salle on the opportunity. Back to Laput. Drop shot.
Nice block.
Oh, blocked by Davao.
Set up to Canino.
Back to Canino.
Oh, and
And
nobody
she
was
scores.
there. Just hitting it long.
It's now a 10-point lead. 19 to Shane Duterte will serve. As La Salle looking to push to the 20-point mark. Sanchez now on the setup.
Set up to Habacon. And
Habacon!
this time,
She
Habacon
scores!
gets the point.
Ice, kumbaga,
Yeah.
for the Lady Spikers.
Jimenez with a good serve.
Here comes the setup.
Up to
Cortez,
Cortez.
blocked.
Binigyan ka agad ng bola.
De Leon with another chance. Set up to
This
Canino.
time,
Attack point for Angel Canino.
there's nothing Team Davao can do there, Sir Ray. He just spikes the ball over the...
She's something special. Here comes Provido.
And that's
And
a
an
good service
ace.
ace for Provido.
It's now 21-11. Lady Spikers.
Another good serve. Sharp serve for Provido.
Adlaw with a good
Set
receive.
up to Habacon.
Habacon! This
Through the
time around.
blockers.
Scoring for Davao.
No fear for Angel.
Serve coming up. Good receive by Lasal. Here comes the setup. Back to Canino.
Again over the blockers.
So hindi maganda yung floor defense ng Davao
Yeah,
Eagles.
they have to. Good serve.
De Leon with the receive.
Set up
Red
to
Terta, block.
Nice block by
From
Jimenez.
Jimenez and Sanchez with a great combo defensively.
Set up this time to
Another opportunity.
Kabatingan.
Kabatingan.
And good hit there for Kabatingan.
Tack point for Davao. Able to cut the deficit to within single digits dito sa ating first set.
15-25.
Good jump serve.
Nice serve.
Goes over the net.
Chance for Team
Sanchez
Davao.
now on the setup. Blanco blocked.
Nice block.
Adlao, another chance on the setup. Drop shot.
And
down it
that's a
goes.
point for Kabatingan.
Good start sa Yusef Gymnasium on
Yeah.
our second night sa ating Women's Invitational Volleyball Tournament. And that's an ace.
Service ace there.
Shane Duterte ties the
Duterte.
game at 4. She has been impressive also last night against LPU. Davao, a good receive.
Kabatingan easy over. Chance for Lasal.
Reyes now on the setup.
Combination Play to
Lapot.
Lapot. And
Attack point for Lasal.
while Team Davao has a lot of errors, 9 there. And 6 attacks with 1 service ace. And
Pasok yan for Davao.
Angel Habakon
Habakon
through the
delivers.
blockers. No fear. Sometimes it's just your mind. It's the mind games, Ray. If you're afraid to play against these giants, then there will be a lot of errors.
And Canino with another attack point for Lasal.
Sumisikip yung court sa kanila, Sir Ray.
Good serve. But a good receive by Blanco.
And that is outside.
Of Katrina Del Castillo on the serve. Now with a good
Good serve.
receive. Here comes
Habakon,
Habako, drop shot.
Nice read by Reyes.
Here comes
This
Lasal.
time, Canino again
Canino!
with the long hit. Deep cross hit there for Angel Canino.
Strong hit for Angel Canino. Middle blocker.
Nice receive by Adlao.
Habakon.
So Bacon, nice dig by
Right.
Del Castillo.
That's right. Back to Canino, drop shot.
And Sanchez couldn't control the drop shot.
Another point. And Lasal now has a 5-point lead.
It's a 3-point lead now.
Nagsilabasan na ang mga smartphones mula sa ating mga fans as Angel Canino will serve.
Good serve.
Yi now on the setup. Blanco.
Chance for Lasal.
Reterta, drop shot.
And
Good defense by Davao.
Habakon from the
Habakon!
back row. And that's a point for Team Davao.
Leading the charge for the Davao Eagles.
14-12.
Now here comes the serve for Davao.
Jelu Mandalunes.
Now Lasal.
To
Reterta.
Nice dig by Habakon.
Opportunity for
Ball still
Davao.
alive.
Habakon goes over the net.
Habakon still saving the day for Team Davao.
Reterta, drop
Reterta,
shot.
Nice dig by Mandalunes.
Yi. Ball
Good.
still glide.
Ball is still alive.
Now here comes Reyes.
And set up.
Canino!
Canino with a back row hit.
A back road hit indeed for Angel Canino.
What an effort for Team Davao, Sir Ray.
Oo.
Lumala.
Now Yi with the serve.
Good serve by Yi.
Now here comes Reyes now on the
Set
setup. Back to
Reterta.
Reterta.
This time getting into the blockers. Powerful hits.
And that has been the advantage throughout the tournament. Itong ng Lasal.
Yeah, she knows how to read the offense of the opponent.
Here comes Davao.
Another setup, this time to Blanco.
Blanco.
And
And down it goes.
Alshaila Noro.
That's a good serve by Noro. Reyes now to Canino.
And this time, Angel Canino making sure that LaSalle gets the point.
And LaSalle has a chance.
Lapot still on deck serving.
Shivana Lapot having a spectacular tournament for her.
Another setup, this time to
Habakon.
Nice dig from Rodriguez.
Now here comes Reyes. Back to.
Oh, that was a missed dig by Adlao.
Oo. And that's Angel Canino gaining a point for Las to continue her mastery dito sa ating Women's Invitational Volleyball Tournament.
Very good jump serve.
Oh, that's a drop
And
shot!
That's too tall for Yi. Angel Canino with a good block.
Set point na, Coach Coco.
Set point for DLSU. Deck serving. Good serve for Andal.
Good receive though by Lasal.
Set is too
Provido.
short. Nice adjust by Provido.
Mm.
And chance now for Ateneo. Combination plate.
That's
by
a drop
Habakon.
shot. Pero nakadig yun ang Lasal.
Nice read.
And Angel Canino. Attack point. Provido will serve for the Lasal Lady Spikers.
Good short serve.
Sanchez now.
Set up to Habakon.
Habakon.
Laput. Laput with a
Spikes it
powerful
down.
attack.
Powerful attack. Tama ka dyan. 3 serving 2.
Provido still serving.
Adlaw with a good receive.
Set up to Habakon again.
And she scores.
This time, Habakon scores.
We're tied.
Blanco.
Good receive there for Lasal. Here comes Canino.
Nice dig by Adlaw.
Great effort for Adlaw indeed throughout this match.
Casillones, nice dig.
Another chance for Canino.
Nice defense this time. And
It fell short for Davao Eagles, and that's a point for Lasal.
Team Davao could not recover.
It's here for Shebana Laput after that ace. 5-3 lead.
Another good serve for Laput.
Sanchez now.
Los Baños.
Los Baños scores.
Powerful tip there for Los Baños.
Nice tip shot.
Yeah.
Here comes Hagel Habakon with a powerful serve.
Nice. Serve.
Drop shot. Good receive by Blanco. Here comes Davao. Canino. Good dig. Laput.
Nice dig by Blanco.
Sanchez on another
Set
chance.
up to
Habakon. Good dig by Laput this time.
Now chance,
Reterta.
chance for Team Davao.
Sanchez. Sets it up.
Casillones.
Casillones.
Long cross.
Won't work. Here comes Canino.
Canino getting it.
Right through the defense.
The back row defense of Team Davao.
It's now a 6
Game.
Oo.
Another misreceive
Here
there.
comes Casillones.
Another chance for DLSU.
Chance ball yun. Drop shot.
Nice save by Blanco. And a
Oh.
miscommunication there for Team Davao.
Missed opportunity for Team Davao.
Yeah, that's right. A rocket
Oo.
to hit the ball that hard.
Eksakto yan na Coach Coco. Here comes Davao.
Nice hit there by Sam Casillones.
Casillones delivers a point for Davao. Attack point. Team Davao only down by 3.
Good serve by Kabingatan.
Here comes the setup to Lapo. Drop shot. Good dig by Habakon.
Up to Habakon. Good save by
Balls
Lasal.
still live. Sanchez. Habakon.
Ow. That was a setting error there. Sayang.
Provido with a drop shot.
That was an opportunity for Team Davao. Mababa lang yung set.
Oo. Mahigit sa 5,000 nanonood ngayon sa Madial Sports Davao. Thank you so much for joining us tonight.
Thank you so much.
Here comes Blanco.
Another setup for Lasal.
Laput on the attack.
Hitting it deep cross.
Makahabol sila dito sa third set. Looking to extend the
Good
match.
serve by Andal.
Here comes Lasal. Back to Canino.
Nice dig, nice. But Team Davao could not recover the
Davao had as much as 8 or 9 errors in first set.
9 errors.
But that's a good dig by Adlao. Good receive rather. Here comes. Oh, that's another rejection.
Good block again by Asuncion. This young middle blocker of the Lady Spikers. Now a huge 7-point lead for the Lady Spikers.
Looking to sweep the match against the Davao Eagles. Another good jump serve.
Nice serve.
Here comes Sanchez for Davao.
Up to
Habakon blocks.
That is too close to the net.
The
And
defensive combo of Daphne Asuncion and Ella Raagas delivering for the De La Salle Lady Spikers.
It's the timings, Ray.
Serve for Davao. Canino with the receive. Reyes sets up to Reterta. And scores.
Nice hit there.
Third set.
Good serve by Noro. Set
Chance
up
for LaSalle to go for the
Canino
win.
for the
Canino!
win.
Goes for the win. And she wins the match for the De La Salle Lady Spikers.
Congratulations also to Team Davao for their effort against the much stronger De La Salle University Lady Spikers.
And that ends the match as the De La Salle Lady Spikers sweeps the match over the hometown Davao Eagles as the De La Salle Lady Spikers win set 3, 25-18.